Gikundi kia andiki bahatito kia Meru Press Club ni wekite rugendo rwa gikaro kia kwariria andu acha kimumbire na chomba sexual and gender based violence SGBV na kinya kwariria mathina ja kimathugano bai bengi bari kiwomanone kiu kiria gikarikirite nchiro ni baririte wingi bo makarika kinya ja kwinyangania kiwendo jira jonekete kwingia na ntugutarwa njira cha gukinya muthia matutajaja John Thiga na Chekinya.
Ikire ruiro rura kubanganitwe ingwataniro ya andiki bandeto a County Meru Press Club warukuruthikite kirintere chianchiru chukuru ya University ya Meru kenda kwariria mantu megene na andu acha kimeyi amwe na murimo ya mathuganio na ara kuringanira na mukaririgite wa ngwataniro eno ya Meru Press Club no David Muchoi augite nonete kwina gitumi kinene ki andiki bandeto kugwatanira ki mutaratara uyu na mwingi wontu mwanya mwanya.
As journalists, we are coming together to bring stakeholders together to discuss how can we solve the challenges that we face as a community. Because out of our interaction with the government data, with the civil society organizations, we have discovered that Meru is ranked fifth in terms of teenage pregnancies, the cases of sexual and gender-based violence in terms of defilement.
Kuringana no twire buruthito County Meru ni moya iri tongoretie kiri mantu megene na andu ache kimeji na rakoti kuromba gutigira ni kuthiria magamba ma muthemba uyu na mpwe kenda urabitiritwe kaumba kuigwa kionaki yake na mwinge no kiromba gutigiri bakureka na mantu makuthiragia magamba ma muthemba uyu kimuji.
There's widespread of complaints that judiciary they delay these cases. So the last time I saw the Convention of Women Against Violence, they said since 2017, more of the sexual offenses are still pending in court. So please, we are calling on the judiciary to fast track these cases so that justice is served.
Inara rongirwa koti na urombeto tigira iba waka koti tia kwaragiria winyango ba ana banini County Meru kenda magamba makathia na mbere na kuthikirwo na mpwe ontorongirwa koti rombete kwegwa rugitigiria.
We are really trying to ensure that justice gets to be served for every victim of GBV.
This is not for county government alone. Tuache mambo ya blame game. It is not for the county government alone, it's not for the national government alone, not for civil society alone. Hii ni yetu sisi wote.
A question about the children's court, nishafikisha. I have already asked that Meru County is asking for a children's court. Within 2 or 3 weeks, I will be back here with the NCAJ team, and we are going to discuss further this issue.
Nyamburiri wetigito na tongere kathumba bure obichi wa munini wa mutongere wa Nduru na Professor Kithure Kindiki obichi wa munini wa Governor County Meru no Linda Kiome mubunge wa Gicigo bunge Kenothiment Raimu Ndaundi gatiga tongeria bangi kiripotera weru weekend mbita wa John Thiga.